Hello, my name is Peter, and I'm pleased to share with you 9 photo prompts for your next event. I am not a professional, so do feel free to try this at home. This is today's kit, the Leica Q3 43. I'm at the community open house at Asistencia. There was very little light to work with, but that's what you need to be prepared to deal with at an event. Prompt 1 is the exterior of the venue. I chose this perspective as it included a sign with the venue's name. Prompt 2 is decorations. I liked these colorful floofs. I felt they really stood out on this gloomy day. Prompt 3 is hosts. Erica and Shirley were kind enough to pose for me. Shirley is the executive director of the Redlands Conservancy, and Erica is her administrative assistant. Prompt 4 is smiles. It's key to document people having a good time at an event. I asked this person to take her photo, and her friend was really making her giggle, making my job super easy. Prompt 5 is performers. Most events will have performers in some capacity. I was lucky enough to catch this singer and pianist performing in the Asistencia chapel. Prompt 6 is groups. After the performance, I captured this group of folks showing their appreciation for the show. Prompt 7 is gardens. This won't work for all events, but Asistencia was really promoting their gardens, so I wanted to capture a piece of that. While we wait for me to find the perfect angle, let me take a moment to say what a great choice the Q3 43 was for this event. The f2 Apo lens made all my subjects shine. The small size and leaf shutter made me very stealthy. And I once again shout out my appreciation for tilting rear screens as opposed to the articulating screens that are taking over the industry. Prompt 8 is the interior of the venue. This room spoke to me with its adobe walls, warm light, leather seating, and beautiful windows. Prompt 9 is vendors. Nicho's ice cream is a local staple, and they were handing out free popsicles to attendees. Now that you have the basics locked in, go photograph more smiles and whatever else catches your eye. If you'd like to see more prompts, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate you being here and hope that today gives you something worth photographing.